I'm taking dynamite. I play up and don't lie. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beat bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody back. Don't take my energy from your body. You might pass no say. Be my healer, everything I desire.
So we actually took a private shuttle to the shops area in Dominican Republic. So this is the store where you can come and get all of your souvenirs. Right back there is the shop. And right now we're in the store because Sean wants to get some cigars. So I'm going to show you the cigars that they have. And all kinds of cigars. I don't know nothing about cigars. I'm not a smoker. Sean do it for leisure. These are all the cigars. So Sean is about to try one of the cigars. What kind is that?
This is from Punta Cana.
Okay.
From Pedro, number 2. Yeah, pyramid. Good cigar, don't worry about it.
Papi es bien?
I like the Toro 15.
You like Arturo Fuente?
Yeah, I do.
This is you buy, you
But
can.
I'm gonna try this one because I like to try.
Yeah, I know.
If I like it, then
Yeah. But the Arturo Fuente, you can catch it to the United States.
yeah.
Yeah. The same company.
Okay.
But expensive. Yeah. And the Fuente, opposite. Be like this.
How do you like it?
It's not bad. I told you I don't like the strong. I don't like the bus.
That's the medium
This
cigar.
is medium.
Medium cigar.
It's like in the middle. It's not too light, but it ain't strong. It won't choke you.
Yeah. This is the ligero cigar.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's okay. No, hold on. Okay, guys. So he said we have free drinks here. So we're wondering what kind of drink. And he said, I thought he said marijuana. But what did you say, Poppy? Mama wanna. I thought he said marijuana. I was like. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Mama Juana is make a baby, no?
Ah.
Oh no, no
No
babies.
more babies.
No babies.
Just the energy. No more babies.
He said just the energy, no more babies. Okay. So the cigar man, he's a cool dude. We like him a lot. We like him a lot. He's like that kind of dude that, you know, you want to just chill with on the back porch. Yeah. Couple of shots. So yeah, it's different in town here. Thank you. This is the Mama Joanna. The mama. I like it. get drunk? No? I don't want to get drunk. Sean trying to get me drunk. I don't want to get drunk. I don't get drunk. No. What? We're not getting drunk.
You got all kinds of Arturos, huh?
Sorry?
So you got all kinds of Arturos.
That's true. Chaco, good for frente de la Pelicoso, ¿no?
Ah, you got Camacho.
So y'all, this is a whole vibe in the cigar store. They have a couch in here. We just chilling. Everybody comes in here treating us like cousins. We all cousins, y'all.
He's out to smoke a cigar. Get the other Tatiana.
Tatiana.
The other flavor.
Oh, okay. Thanks, y'all.
Got Bob Marley on the wall. I'm from Connecticut. Been living in the Dominican Republic about 11 years. I have a nails bar, hair salon. I have a souvenir shop. My friends, it's mine because my friends owns it. I have a tour operator for excursions, and I have a transportation business.
Oh, nice.
11 years grinding out here in the DR from Connecticut.
Nice,
Get
nice.
that right.
Okay.
And nobody's looking for me to kill me.
Right?
I don't own nobody, thank God. I'm here willingly, and I'm happy. Stop it. They might look for me to be a committee.
Now, you know what's the fun? They have the good cigar, good cigar from Nicaragua. So many people from Cuba.